Welcome to today's training. My name is Gosio Anwana. This training, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a professional whiteboard animation using a Binimi app. So a Binimi app is one of the apps that can help you design your whiteboard animation. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to take you around on how to go about it. So please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I do a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. So let's go straight to the tutorial for the day. So first thing, if you are not installed Minibi app, the first thing to do is to go ahead and install that. So for you to install that is for you to go into your Google Play Store. Okay, then though I've already have the account in my as one of my apps, so I just want you to click so that you know how to go about it. Just search on Binimi app, BENIME. So I've already have it here, so you click on it. I'm just going to show you how the app looks like, not the first one, the second one. So let me show you how it looks like. This is it. So that is it. So on my own here is showing open, but on your own end, since you have not installed it, it's going to be showing here install. So let's go straight to today's class. Let me just go to back. Then let me click on the Binimi app. This is it on my phone here. So let it open. This is how the interface of the Binimi app is. So from here is where you see your projects, the whole project you have been doing. That is where you find it. And this other side here are the movies. Then for you to make use of the Binimi app, this very place here, this plus sign is where you are going to do all your work. So let's just go straight to the first thing here. You see title, name your movie. This is it, name your movie. So what you are going to do at this point is for you to name your movie, name your projects, what you are going to be calling your project or whatsoever. For me, I'm going to name it project 1. And if you are naming your movie, make sure you don't space. It's going to be one word, because if you space, it's not going to recognize, it's not going to allow you to proceed. So you just put it in one word. So at this point, you'll see here YouTube. There are different canvases here under here, so you can click here to open so that you know the different canvases that you are going to use. For YouTube, you can see YouTube here, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Vimeo, every form of canvas that you wish to. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of YouTube canvas. So this is it. I've already selected YouTube canvas. So the next thing now is for you to create your movie, which is here. You create your movie. Just click on that. It's going to open. So at this point, as you can see, it's taking us to where we are going to do our work. The interface that we are going to be making use of in the course of creating our animation. So now this is the interface here. That is where we are going to make use of. So now, for us not to delay, the first thing that you are going to do, let me just explain most of these tools so that you can actually understand what the functions of each of it. So here, the sticker here is the image that is going to be on top of this background, on top of this white background. This is the sticker that I'm talking about here. Yeah, at this point, that is the sticker. This is the image that you are going to be making use of in the course of presenting your project or your presentation. So now the second one here is text. This is where you click and write everything that you want to write, either project, any stuff that you want to write to present your whiteboard animation. That is where you get the write-up. And here is bg here is the background. Like I said, this is the background. So the background is different from the sticker, so you can click here to open and change any form of background that you want to make use of. And this very one here, the hand, is what you will actually illustrate your point, like the kind of hand that you want to be using to design your project. So now, and at the last one here is music. You can also as well as add music to your binimi or whiteboard animation. So if you want to do that, that is where you go. So without much delay, let's just start doing something. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've done some write-up putting down, so that it will make our work so seamless and easy for us to flow and get the best result as soon as or as fast as possible. So one thing we are going to do is just to click on this text, or first of all, let me just go to where I put down my text, so I can copy it from there and paste it. So it's very simple. Let's just do this together. Here is it. Here is it. I will just copy it. I will just have to copy it. I've copied it. Then now I'll go to the text and open it and paste it there. Yeah, here is it. Then insert. So this is it. So now this very one here, this point, you can use here as a font to change your font size, your font style to any kind of style that you want. So let's just open so you can actually understand what I'm trying to say. So now you can see different design here, different style. So you can just choose any of these style. So for the purpose of this video, I'm trying to be fast as possible, so we will not be dwelling in this very point for so long. So that is it. And this very point here is to change the color. You can use this to change the color of this write-up to any one that you want. See it here, like currently the color is on black, so you can actually change it to, let's just put any color of a choice. Let's put this color, and here you see the text have changed. So now this point here is to shift move the text to this to the left side, and this one to the center, and this one to the right side of the text. That is what I'm trying to say, is this very point here. This is to the left side, and this is to the center, and this is to the right hand of the text. So now this very point here is where you can put your edit. If you want to edit this text and add up some stuff, you can do that. That is it. So now we don't want to add up anything, we just go back, and this is once after you have finished typing your text, and this is where you click on check to show that you have satisfied with what you are doing. So now as we proceed, this very point here is delayed out, but it's not going to be useful for you for now. So our focus is going to be on this duration that you see here. This is the duration. This is it. So you can actually click it. How long are you going to allow your write-up to be here? Is it like here is 2 seconds, and depends on the duration that you want each of your slides to appear. So now for my own, I will prefer, let's just use 3 seconds. 3 seconds. You just have to tap here to put 3 seconds. So at this point here, this very option here, this is the size. You can increase or decrease your text size, so to any form. This is it. So you can actually make use of this size so to do your work. So that is it. Now let it be here. So you can make use of it. This is where you can as well delete and also duplicate, and you can just go around the tools and see their different functions. So without much delay, this is what we are going to this is our write-up. Here are 3 simple ways you can make money with AI digital skills. So now, like I said, we mentioned sticker. This is where you are going to make use of this sticker. The first thing is to click on the sticker, then go to your image where you put your images. So once you click it, you can go there to pick the sticker that you want to use to illustrate your presentation. So now there are some stickers there I've already put in place to actually help us to do this work. So now let me pick this one. Let me pick this one. Yeah, let me pick this one. So you position it well the way you want it to be. So that is it. So let's just play it and see what we are. Okay, we haven't choose the hand first, which I have explained to you that we are going to pick the hand. So this is the way you pick the hand, different hand. So let's just go with this guy here, this very one. Let's just go with this guy so that to see what how our presentation is going to look like. So now I've picked the hand that we are going to use. So let's just play and see what we are able to do together. So you are seeing it, very simple and straightforward. It doesn't take time, it doesn't stress you. It's just for you to just put up or put down what you are going to write and pick those images that you are going to use to illustrate your presentation. As simple as that, the work goes on smoothly. So now before we run out of this class, I will show you how to get these images. Very simple. Without wasting much of your time, let me go straight so I can show you how to get these images. It's very simple. Just go to your Chrome. If you go to your Chrome, in search in type okay, let's on my network, type sketch illustration. You can just pick illustration of either a teacher, sketch illustration of a teacher, okay. Anything you want to write on, you can just pick an illustration. There are different illustration here, so you can pick from any of these. There are many. Just go to the image here, let it open all the images that we have under this point. So now you can just pick any of these and do the one that you feel that can actually represent what you want. So now if you want to, you can long press any of these images and download it. So I don't want to download, so I will just allow it to be there. So now let's head back to our tutorial. So it's very simple, as you can see. It's just to go there and pick your illustration, anyone you know can actually represent what you want to present. So now for you to, after we have done the first slide, is for you to proceed to the second one. For you to proceed to the second one, here is the icon that you are going to make use of. This plus sign, this plus sign, this is it. You just click on it and it's going to give you another form of slide. So let's proceed. Click on it. This is the second slide. This is the second slide. Why this is the first slide. This is the second one. So now we still need to go back to our right up and get our, just copy it and head to our project, click on text, then paste it. Then here is it. You can reduce the size. Like I said, you can use this this side to reduce the size of your text. You can still use this size that I showed you before, this one, to also reduce the size of your text. So now I will reduce the size and make our duration to be 3 seconds. Then go to our sticker, click on check, go to our sticker to add. So before we proceed, let's read what the write-up was, so we can actually know the kind of sticker that we are going to place there. So use AI tools to make unique digital art, logos, or social media graphics. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr, where people look for customer-made design. So you can just pick write-up that can actually explain or illustrate this for us. So now you need to proceed to sticker and look for something that can actually present the. So here we can pick any images from here. Let's just pick this very image. So here is the second slide. So you just have to drag it to the position that will fit this. So once you drag it, I think this is okay. This is okay. You check. Then as well, you can also play to see what you are doing. Just click on play. You can see it's very awesome. It's very simple to do whiteboard animation. Very simple. It's just most major thing that you need to do is for you to write down what you are going to present. Pick all those images that you are going to use to illustrate your presentation. As simple as that. So we are going to still repeat the same thing on the slide, at the third slide, which I would not want us to waste much of our time on dwelling on that. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to set up all the slide, which you have already know how to set it up from the first slide to the second one. That is how we are going to repeat the same thing. So for us not to waste much of our time, I'm going to do everything. Once I do everything, then from there I can now show you how to put music on your animation, and also show you how to save them. And as well, and I will also tell you some of the important things that you need to know while setting up a professional whiteboard animation. So let's just proceed. I will be coming back very soon, as soon as I set up this, so that we will not waste much of our time here. All right, as you can see, we have done setting up our whiteboard animation. So the next thing now is for us to at least play, so that we see what we are able to do. You can see, very awesome, very fantastic. very, very fantastic. It's very simple to do whiteboard animation, and like I said, it need to be put down all what you need to write up, your sketch illustration, and make sure that everything is being in place. You can just do this under 5 minutes. You have run up everything. So it's as simple as you can see. Very, very simple. So after this, the next thing that we are going to do is to set up music. We need to have some kind of cool music playing at the background of this so that it can make your work so more, it can spice up your work, it can make your work more enticing. So what you are going to do, like I said, this is a music button, so you need to go and pick your music of your choice that can really be cool for what you are doing. So let's just click and see the kind of music that we can just play. Anything, though I don't really have good music like that, but I can just pick, for the purpose of this training, I can just pick any music so we can actually see how it goes. So let's do this. As you can see, there are two options here. The first option, either you choose from your gallery or you do voice over. Anywhere around you can just do it. This voiceover, you can use voiceover in terms of you talking while explaining this thing. So you can choose any of these options. So but we want to go and pick a music of our choice to use. Okay, I just go to my music file. If I can lay my hands on any music, I will be okay. So let's just pick anything and see what will come out of it. Okay, let's make use of this very one. For the purpose of this, I don't want to waste much of our time, so we can just proceed to some other thing. Let's play and see what we are able to.
tunesjam.com.
If I die now, I go happy shame. Say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? When you did treat me so, I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you.
So as you can see, it's just simple as you can just see. It doesn't waste time, it doesn't stress, it doesn't take much of your effort and energy, just for you to put everything in place and then start what you want to do with your animation. And also depends on how you are going to position your illustration, your design. So just do this, and at the end of the day you realize that you love it. So let's proceed now to how to. So one thing very important, one thing that you need to know also is that as for you to make your work more professional, this, you can see watermark here. This watermark is not encouraging for you to allow, after a customer or a client wants something like this and you want to reveal your secret, the kind of tools that you use to create this thing is not looking professional. So one thing that you are going to do is for you to get rid of this watermark. So I'm going to show you how to do about it. And secondly, I'm going to also introduce you to an app that you can use to actually get off this watermark, but not in this very video. So I'm going to do that, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just show you how to get rid of this very watermark here, and also how to save your work. So let's do this together. So for you to get off this watermark, just click on the watermark here. There are three options to actually do this. The first option is that you need to upgrade to Mini Pro, which is for a year is 6,008 naira. Then you can also remove permanently the watermark, which costs 280 naira. It's not cost, you can actually do it. Just and the third option, which is still loading, is for you to watch an advert. Let me on my data so we can actually get rid of this. So it's just to watch a reward advert, which doesn't take much time, and that is the third option that we are going to use in removing our the watermark from our BNB app. So as you can see, the third option is here, watch reward ads. So what we are going to do is to click on it. This is the third option. This is what I'm saying. Click on the last button here and watch some adverts. So after watching an advert, the watermark is going to remove. So let's just so as you can see, the watermark has gone. So there is no watermark here in our professional animation whiteboard. So
tunesjam.com. If I die now.
So now you can use this button here, this very button, to save your project. This is it, this very one. You can use it to save your project, and you can use this last one to share to anybody you want to share it with. So after saving it, you come back to your project. This is it, you can see it here. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you. Any question and where you don't understand, just go over to the video, and also you can reach out to me for further explanation. I love you. See you in the next class. Thank you.